Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokocan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Schools and education. Life in the 20th century demands preparation. Today, all individuals in a country must have adequate schooling to prepare them for their work as well as for their responsibilities as citizens. With this in mind, national leaders everywhere are placing more emphasis on the education of the young. In the United States, government officials, parents, and teachers are working hard to give the children, tomorrow's decision makers, the best preparation available. There is no national school policy in the United States. Each of the 50 states makes its own rules and regulations for its schools, but there are many similarities among the 50 school systems. Public schools in all states are supported by taxes paid by the citizens of the individual state. In most states, the children are required to attend school until they reach the age of 16. When they become 6 years old, children begin elementary school. After 6 years in elementary school, they go into junior high school and remain there for 3 years. The last 3 years of their public school education are spent in senior high school, from which they graduate at the age of 18. A great number of high school graduates continue their education in one of the many colleges or universities in the country. After 4 years, they receive a bachelor's degree. Some continue studying for a master's degree and perhaps a doctor's degree. Questions. 1. At what age does a child in the United States enter elementary school? 2. Are public schools in the United States free to the students? Why? 3. How long does the law require that a student go to school in most states? 4. At what age do most students graduate from high school? 5. Why is education so important today?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.